So in this video, we are going to talk about what is the kind of time frames, how do I go about, this is going to take a few months, few quarters. So there have been a lot of kind of questions from you, and we said we'll give some ideas. And of course, these are some suggestions, but it will slightly vary from enterprise to enterprise. And we're just going to talk about the implementation timeline. So you set up the foundation framework, and then you set up the infrastructure and other COEs, and then let the business use case funnel keep coming up, and you do all the enterprise training into change management, and then projects will actually start coming out. And each project will have its own timelines. And of course, supported by a monthly governance at the steercom level. And we recommend that the CEO should not delay and do a formal launch of the AI initiatives, and within the first week, fully appoint the AI steering committee, appoint the risk management office and risk officer, appoint the chief AI officer, and we don't want the team to go through another round of lot of bureaucracy for budgets. Given the interim budget approved on week 1 itself. And of course, that could be adjusted against each of the groups and projects who are going to be utilizing these services. And so, and you should not delay it more than a week. So you announce it, and next week, Monday, everything is in shape and people start running. And these days, there is no tapes coming in and you have to load, everything is installed online. And so we recommend that it's about a month from the budget, you go through and then define the whole IT, hardware, software infrastructure, cloud infrastructure, network infrastructure, and as much as possible use tools which are already security cleared. And if you still have to bring in some Gen AI and other tools, AI agent tools, and then get high priority from CISO and get that approved and get it security cleared. And enhance the process to include all the nuances of model building, testing, fine-tuning, and then integration, and then put the process in place, and then set up a training university so that new people can come from the organization, can start learning on the current tool. Maybe there is an IT AI expert in your own team, but the person is experienced in another company on a different set of tools. So even those people need to be trained on your kind of set of tools. And what are the additional tools required for data cleaning, data labeling, data automation, etc., and the data encryption, etc. there. And again, it's going to be as basically the whole kind of build, test, and the integrate infrastructure. And then make sure that there is a test environment available in the ERP so that you are able to test through the AI agent from the chatbot into the ERP. So basically all this to be done within about a month. And at the same time, we are recommending that the business use case and the AI COE setup happen simultaneously, so you don't waste time. So get all the ideation, talk to people, conduct surveys, whatever you are going to do, get the ideas and create a first filtered master list and a complete list of data which is available and possible to get across the enterprise, across the vendor. So you can talk to the vendors and say what data you can give and map the data to the use case. and then develop a business case. And so that you are starting within a month, you have set of use cases selected with business cases, which are ready to get into pilot phase. On the training side, what we recommend is training on responsible AI to be taught to all the people, all the users as well as the development staff on responsible AI, because this is basically something which needs to come from the CXO, the CEO, and then say, we are concerned about this and we want you to know. So ask questions and raise issues. And basically at various levels of training, Gen AI, prompt engineering for almost all, and training on Power Apps, 9 kind of tools for all the business users, domain experts, and then SAP, SFDC, ServiceNow kind of extensions. At the first monthly governance, you should have a set of at least 3-4 use cases, which you should approve for launch and approve the budget, and then let's get the pilot rolling. So almost like from the day the CEO announces, within a quarter, you can have a pilot project started. And if the pilot takes about 2 months, less than 2 quarters, you have actual system deployed. And these kind of timings are possible, and we'd like you to consider them. Thank you.